As we conclude this awareness session, I'd like to thank everyone for their participation and engagement. We have covered fundamental of ISO 20000, explore its requirements, implementation strategies with the family of standards, and certification process that we haven't covered in detail, but we can help in that. And we have also shown you some relationship of the ITSM standards that can help you. For those interested in furthering their expertise, we offer a range of ISO 20000 training programs like foundation level programs, internal auditing, etc. Moreover, the implementation training as well. So there is also lead auditor certification that is available in the industry for professionals who are looking to opt that. So these are the programs available in the industry for ISO 20000 certification for personals. Also, we have the companies for gaining the ISO 20000-1 certification. We help them with the gap analysis, identifying all the gaps, and making the processes documentation, and doing the internal audits, and training their team, and all these things. So we cover that as well. So if you need any uh, stuff, any support from us, you can inquire us through info@exoexcellence.com. Additionally, you can apply for a certificate with this session, verifying that you participated in this awareness session, demonstrating your basic understanding on this subject area. So for expert guidance, training opportunities, or implementation support, feel free to contact Exo Excellence. I like to see you further. Thank you. Keep excelling in your career and keep doing better for the world.